In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Whop. We'll walk through the exact workflow to get your course planned, packaged, and published without confusion. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional course ready for learners. Start by opening Whop and clicking Start a Business from the left sidebar. This is your main hub, so give it a strong name, upload a simple, recognizable logo, and write a clear description of what your brand offers. Think of this as your storefront. It's where your products, customers, and settings will live. Inside your business, create your course offer by selecting Create Product. Add a name, like Basic Access, and write a concise headline that your audience will see on the product page. Choose your pricing, either free or paid. If you plan to monetize, pick paid access now to set expectations and value. You can always refine pricing later. Next, configure how people can get in. Set stock to unlimited so you're not artificially capping enrollments. If you're launching later or want exclusivity, you can enable a waitlist or keep the product hidden until you're ready. After your product is in place, add the actual course. Click Add App, then select Course. This is where you'll build your curriculum, lessons, and materials. By the way, I've placed a link to Whop right at the top of the description so you can jump in immediately. If you're on mobile, expand the description to find it. Inside the course app, map out your structure with modules. For example, start with Getting Started, move into Core Strategy, and finish with Scaling. Within each module, add lessons. Mix video tutorials, text-based explanations, and links or resource lists. Organize content so each lesson tackles one clear objective. Now upload your content. You can embed videos from YouTube or Loom, or upload directly. Add supporting PDFs, templates, and downloads. And link out to any external tools your learners will need. Keep file names and titles tidy so learners always know what they're opening. Set access rules so only buyers can view the course. You can optionally increase value by bundling the course with a chat community, additional resources or tools, all managed under the same product. Then customize your product page. Add a strong thumbnail or cover image, a straightforward description, clear learning outcomes, and any proof or testimonials that build trust. When everything looks good, hit publish. Your course is now live and ready to share. Thanks for watching.